When you talk about toughness, one name stands above all others: the Dodge Power Wagon. Born from the battlefields of World War II and forged in the fires of American industry, the Power Wagon is not just a truck. It's a symbol of strength, resilience, and dependability. First introduced in 1946, the Power Wagon was directly inspired by the Dodge military trucks used by the U.S. Army during the war. Soldiers admired those trucks for their unstoppable durability, and when they returned home, they wanted the same kind of machine for civilian life. Dodge answered their call, and a legend was born. The Power Wagon became the first mass-produced 4x4 pickup for civilians, offering unparalleled capability at a time when most trucks were still two-wheel drive. It was rugged, simple, and powerful, built to handle rough terrain, heavy loads, and unforgiving weather with ease. From farms to forests, mines to mountains, the Power Wagon was more than transportation. It was a lifeline for hardworking Americans who needed a truck that would never quit. Over the decades, it evolved from a utilitarian workhorse into an off-road icon, but it never lost its soul. Even today, it stands as a reminder of America's unbreakable spirit and the golden age of real trucks built with purpose. The original Dodge Power Wagon 1946-1968 was as pure as it gets. Designed for real work and adventure, this truck was built from heavy-duty steel and equipped with a flathead 230 cubic inch inline-6 engine, producing 94 horsepower and 185 lb-ft of torque. Numbers that may seem modest today, but back then, they meant unstoppable capability. What made the Power Wagon revolutionary was its four-wheel drive system, adapted directly from military designs. With locking hubs, low-range gearing, and a solid front axle, it could tackle mud, snow, rocks, and steep trails that would stop other trucks cold. Its design was simple but purposeful: flat fenders, round headlights, and a massive steel bed. It wasn't made to look pretty, it was made to last forever. Farmers, ranchers, and explorers trusted it because it could go anywhere and do anything. The Power Wagon quickly became famous for its ability to pull, climb, and conquer. It was used for construction, firefighting, and even rescue missions in remote areas. For many Americans, it wasn't just a truck. It was a partner, a tool, and a hero. Even today, vintage Power Wagons are highly prized by collectors and restorers who admire their mechanical honesty and brute strength. They're often seen fully restored, with shiny red paint and polished chrome, proudly representing a bygone era of true craftsmanship. By the 1970s, the Power Wagon name had become synonymous with rugged 4x4 capability. Dodge reintroduced it as part of its D-Series lineup, offering newer engines, improved comfort, and updated styling. These Power Wagons featured 318, 360, and even 440 cubic inch V8 engines, bringing serious power to the off-road scene. They maintained the classic toughness but added more creature comforts, better interiors, optional automatic transmissions, and enhanced ride quality. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the Power Wagon became a favorite among off-roaders and outdoorsmen, known for its durability and raw torque. Whether pulling trailers, climbing steep mountain trails, or surviving harsh winters, it never faltered. Though the name Power Wagon eventually disappeared from Dodge's mainstream lineup by the early 80s, the legend never faded. Enthusiasts kept the spirit alive, restoring and modifying old models, keeping the Power Wagon's legacy roaring across deserts, forests, and highways. It was more than just a truck model. It was a badge of honor that stood for everything Dodge trucks represented: power, endurance, and American pride. After decades of silence, the Power Wagon name made a triumphant return in 2005, this time as the off-road king of the Ram 2500 lineup. And it came back with a vengeance, Under the hood, the modern Power Wagon packs a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, producing 410 horsepower and 429 lb-ft of torque, enough to move mountains. Paired with a robust 4x4 system, locking differentials, disconnecting front sway bar, and Bilstein shocks, this truck was designed to dominate any terrain. It's the only heavy-duty pickup with factory front and rear lockers and a built-in Warn winch, proving that it's not just about power, it's about capability. Whether crawling over rocks in Moab or pulling heavy loads through deep mud, the Power Wagon doesn't just perform, it thrives. Inside, it offers the comfort and technology of a modern luxury vehicle. Premium leather seats, digital displays, advanced safety features, and even adaptive cruise control. It perfectly balances old-school toughness with new-age refinement. In a world full of flashy trucks and urban SUV, the Power Wagon remains authentically rugged, proudly carrying the torch of America's original 4x4 hero. The Power Wagon isn't just a truck. It's a cultural icon that has inspired generations of builders, adventurers, and off-road enthusiasts. From the original 1940s workhorses to modern Ristamods, it remains a symbol of freedom, endurance, and exploration. Collectors today restore vintage Power Wagons to perfection, while others transform them into custom monsters, lifted, supercharged, and painted in bold military greens or desert tans. Companies like Legacy Classic Trucks in Wyoming even build modernized Power Wagons with Hemi or Cummins engines, luxury interiors, and six-figure price tags, proving that the legends still command respect and admiration worldwide. Pop culture hasn't ignored it either. From movies to music videos, the Power Wagon continues to represent American muscle, reliability, and grit. It's the kind of truck that tells stories of farms, mountains, battles, and freedom. Wherever it goes, people stop and stare, not because it's shiny, but because it commands respect. A symbol of raw power and old-school authenticity that today's vehicles can rarely match. The Power Wagon stands tall as a testament to American engineering and resilience. From its origins as a military truck to its rebirth as a modern off-road beast, it has remained true to its mission: to go anywhere, carry anything, and never give up. It's not just built tough, it defines toughness. Every generation of the Power Wagon reflects a story of evolution without compromise, staying loyal to its roots while embracing progress. In a world of plastic, screens, and luxury crossovers, the Power Wagon is a reminder of what real trucks used to be: loud, powerful, and built to last a lifetime. Even today, when you fire up that Hemi or hear the rumble of an old inline-six, you can feel the same spirit that helped America build its roads, farms, and future. The Power Wagon isn't just a machine. It's a piece of history, a rolling monument to the strength, courage, and determination that built a nation. Collision.